Welcome to Parkview at Hamlin. This is one of the newest new construction communities that features 3-story townhomes, and it's actually the only new construction community in Winter Garden and Hamlin with these 3-story townhome products and an incredibly low HOA. Now, the East Village of the Hamlin Town Center area is built out and has an amazing movie theater, French cafe, and a Publix and a Walmart. We are on the West Village of the Hamlin Town Center, and this townhome community and the homestead apartment community are the first anchors of this side, and the rest of the commercial and retail spaces are going to be built out over the next couple of years. But let's check out the models. And like I said, there's 2 floor plans. There's an interior unit and an exterior unit. Obviously, the exterior unit is the side unit. You get more windows, so let's check it out. Welcome in. So on this first floor of this 3-story townhome, you have this open entry space that's downstairs, and then behind you is your 2-car garage. And this right now is how this comes standard, but this downstairs can be upgraded to either an enclosed study with a closet or a whole bath as well. So if you wanted to upgrade the units and have a 4th bedroom, the 4th bedroom would be on this first floor. Let's go up and see the living area on the 2nd floor. Like most luxury 3-story townhome designs, this 2nd floor is where your living area is. So it features your open kitchen with an island, quartz countertops. This setup is a gourmet kitchen, so you have your cooktop, your oven, microwave combination, nice sized pantry, and your refrigerator, of course. And behind you is the Eden dining area. But over here, you have much more space with all this natural light from the side windows and this really open living area on this floor. The variations between the buildings can adjust slightly because some of the buildings have like a bump out, so you may have an extra couple square feet on the floor depending on which building you choose in the community. And then also on this floor, you have a nice hot bath for your guests to use when they're over and entertaining as well. Some cool things about this builder and the 3-story townhome setups are the super tall ceilings, and they go consistently across all 3 floors. And the flooring that they've used throughout is this luxury plank vinyl on the living areas, and then upstairs is carpet as well. There are some finishes that you can choose when you're choosing to work with this builder, and you can design it to be your own. But most of the buildings they have spec'd out with design selections similar to what you see here that are really nice and complement each other. But let's check out the sleeping areas upstairs. Welcome to the 3rd floor of your future townhome, where all the bedrooms are. That comes standard with the home. Like I said, you can put a bedroom on the 1st floor if you wanted as well. So you have your 2 secondary bedrooms right here that are pretty reasonably sized, and they have good views from a 3rd floor. You have your hall, laundry in this closet, and the secondary bedrooms, bathrooms here in this hall as well. So it's a full bath for them to use. And then we're backing into the beautiful master bedroom suite with this spacious master primary bedroom. Still got the tall ceilings to enjoy and a lot of beauty through the windows as well. These townhomes come starting around 1,850 square feet, and they go up from there with the largest layout being just above 2,000 square feet, depending on which unit you get and those cutouts. And you have a pretty nice master bath here with 2 sinks, granite countertops, and then obviously a shower as well, and a very spacious walk-in closet. So at the time of filming this video, the pricing for these 3-story townhomes is in the high 400s for the interior units and low 500s for the exterior units. And just to give you some comparison, something to consider is with the apartment rentals in this community, in like the Homestead apartment community across the street, or any apartments in the Hamlin Winter Garden area, you're going to be spending about $3,500 a month for a 3-bedroom apartment unit. And that's actually quite comparable to what these monthly payments would come out for purchasing one of these condos. So it's something to consider if you're thinking about renting in the area and you're within this monthly budget range. Why not get your own townhome that you own that is almost double the amount of space as some of these apartments, plus 2-car garage, private parking, and ownership. you want to learn more about Parkview at Hamlin, this community, or any other new construction community across Central Florida, don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Ben Lobby, or anyone on the Ben Lobby Homes team, as we are your Central Florida new construction specialists.